Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to do the PS5 setup on this NAXA 9-inch TV, 9-inch LCD TV. So you know right, this LCD have only one AV output. So only one AV output, and this portable TV have battery backup as well, power backup as well. Even right, if the power is shut down, this will work continuously. In order to connect this portable TV right to PS5 console, we need this HDMI to AV converter. So already I have attached this, and I'm going to attach this to TV. So perfect. Now I need to insert this HDMI cable from PS5 to this portable TV. I have attached this HDMI cable to PS5 console as well. This portable TV needs 12 watt power adapter. Connected. So it's turned on. Also you can change this HDMI to AV converter as NTSC or PAL. So you can change that. You don't need a separate power cable. If the TV doesn't work right, you need to power this HDMI to AV converter. For this portable TV, it is working without power for this HDMI converter. So going to power on this. Super cool. Wow. Sound also good. Okay. Superb. You need to change the mode as well. I have plugged AV1, so I have chosen that. So it is working perfectly. Okay, I'm going to do some gameplay here.
unsafe. After the explosion, the bridge started to...
Eyes on the other Spider-Man. Please advise.
What's going on? I have no idea.
Copy.
No! No, I'm not your enemy.
What are you doing? He saved us!
Hey, leave him alone!
I'm recording this! We're watching!
Put that phone away now! I said put that phone away now! Hey, get your hands off me! Ethan! This is your last warning! I saved him!
What the hell? Where'd he go?
Did they push him?
What happened to Roxxon being here for us? They were gonna shoot me! They didn't even listen! Are you okay? I don't know.
So going to remove the power cable. After removing the power cable from this portable TV, I'm going to do the shutdown. Shutdown, turn off. Still it's working. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.